Hello children, you are welcome to class. Today, we'll be representing subtraction with and without the decomposition of 110 as 10 ones with manipulatives. What does it simply mean? We'll be doing subtraction of numbers. Some of the number we may decompose it. Decomposition simply means breaking the 10 into ones. We may decompose it or may not decompose it. So let's get started. Let's start with this. For every number I say, you say 2 less. If I say 10, you say 8. 10, 2 less than 10 is 8. 2 less than 11 is 9. What about 2 less than 30? 2 less than 30 is 28. 2 less than 61. 2 less than 61 is what? 59. Now, using 10 to subtract, the answer is what? Wait for the signal. Now, 16 minus 9. We are using 10 to subtract. So we broke the 16 into 10 and 6. So we start with 10 minus 9. 10 minus 9 is 1. Now, the 1 plus the remaining part of the 16, that is the 1 plus 6, is what? 7. Alright, next one is 13 minus 8. We are going to break the 13 down like the way we did before. So we broke 13. 13 has broken down into 10 and 3. So we now have 10 minus 8. 10 minus 8 is 2. Now the 2 plus 3 is 5. 15 minus 7. So 10 minus 7 will give us 3. The 3 plus 5 will give us 8. Same thing goes with this. 10 minus 7 will give us 3. Then the 3 plus 6 will give us 9. Subtract common unit. Say the number in unit form. Alright, 77 in unit form is 7 tens and 7 ones. Now let's say the subtraction sentence and answer in unit form now. 77 minus 22 is 55. So let's say 55 unit form. 55 unit form is 5 tens and 5 ones. The same thing with this. So 88 minus 33 is 55. Say 55 in unit form. 55 unit form is 5 tens and 5 ones. 166. Say the number in unit form. This is 100, 6 tens, and 6 ones. So let's do the subtraction now. 166 minus 44 is 122. So let's say 122 unit form now. It's going to be 110, 2, 100, 100, 2, 10, and 2, 1. This is 5 tens and 5 ones. 55 minus 33 is 22. That is 2 tens and 2 ones. 110, 100, 5 tens, and 5 ones. So if you subtract these numbers, we have 122. Say it in unit form now. I believe you can do that. There's an application problem. Shelby picks 35 oranges. 5 are rotten. How many of Shelby's oranges are not rotten? Rosa picked 35 oranges too, but 6 are rotten. How many of Rosa's oranges are not rotten? So for Shelby's oranges, remove 5 from 35. So the one that are not rotten is 30. While from Rosa, remove 6 from 35. You will have 19. You have, right, 29 oranges. So for Rosa, the orange that is not rotten are 29 oranges. What is 35 minus 5? You remove 5 from 35, will give you 30. 35 minus 6 will give you 29. 24 minus 4 will give you 20. 24 minus 5 will give you what? I know you can do that. 19. All right, lastly, 17 minus 7. I know you can do that. All right, how can you solve? Show in another way. Now, these are place value charts. 35 minus 9. This there, 30 tens are be represented in the 10 side. Sorry, 3 tens are be represented in the 10 side. We have 3 tens, and in the 1 side we have 5 ones. So the red line there, we have to unbundle 1 10, and we took it to the what? The 1 side. So we unbundle the 10, and we take the 10 to the 1 side. So we can now remove our 9. After removing the 9 from the 1 side, we now have 6 remaining. So in the 10 side, we have 2 remaining. 35 minus 9 is now what? 26. 46 minus 18. We represent the 46. Remember, in subtraction, using your place value chart, you represent only the bigger number in the chart. We represented only 46. 4 in the 10 side, we have 4 10 representing the 10 side, and 6 ones represented in the 1 side. So we cannot remove 8 from 6. So we have to unbundle 110. We unbundle 110, and now we cannot remove the 8. So removing 8, we have 8 remaining. And in the 10 side, we have to remove 110 also, because 410 minus 110. Now we remove a 10 from inside, so the 10 remaining there is now 2, and the 8 is remaining in the 1 side. So 46 minus 18 is 28. Here's another one. 32 minus 29. Represent the 32 in the chart. Since we can't remove 9 from 2, we have to unbundle. We unbundle 110. Then after unbundling, we now remove our 9. What is remaining is 3. Now, in the 10 side, we have to remove under 2. So nothing is remaining in the 10 side. So 32 minus 29 is 3. Children, I believe you cannot subtract numbers by decomposing or without decomposing a 10. With this, we come to the end of the class today. Have a nice time. Bye.